Hello, I'm Charles H. Galbraith Jr., Human Resource Professional and Workforce Empowerment Speaker. Today I want to share with you some ideas for how can you keep your workspace or your work desk stress-free. Now, it's very important for you to realize that you may have an organized mess, but mess is never good for stress. So the first aspect that we want to deal with is organization. It's very important for you to keep an organized space, knowing where things are, being able to locate things, being able to physically reach the things that you are needing for your day, because that can cause you so much stress when you're having to search for items that you need. It's also very important for you to keep a very neat space or a very organized space, because in case of emergency, someone else on your work staff may have to come into your office and locate an item, and that can cause you some stress in not being able to help them fast enough find what it is that they need to find. The next area of this is for you to surround your desk with things that bring a peaceful state of mind to you. It's very important for you to surround your desk with friends, pictures of family, pictures of things that are very important to you, that bring a positive, good feeling to you when you look at those. Some people even put vacation spots up. Think about a place that you've been, some place that brings you a lot of joy and peace and happiness, and maybe post a picture of that. Another thing that can be very helpful would be some plants. There have been scientific studies that share that plants can bring a positive energy to the workplace. And of course, positive energy is a huge factor in minimizing stress. So what we want to create in your workspace is a workspace that, first of all, is organized, a workspace that reminds you of the things that make you feel good and make you happy, and of course, a workspace that creates positive feelings and positive emotions and positive endorphins into the atmosphere, so that you can be at your best level, so that you can be positive and be productive within your job. Now, also, the last thing that I'd like to share with you, if you're in a workspace where you can play some music, music is a wonderful stress reliever. It can definitely bring out positive moods and positive emotions. So if you are able to play that, even if you're able to play that with headphones, that can be a wonderful way to minimize the stress in your life. I hope that you have a wonderful time de-stressing your life, and I hope these tips have helped you. Thank you and have an incredible day.